You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce and what is the meaning of this initialism known as BFF. BFF is how you say it, but what does it mean? It means best friend forever. So this is simply a way of referring to a person's best friend. He is my BFF, or she is my BFF, my best friend forever, or simply my best friend, BFF. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.